Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you one super easy, quick and simple snack, sweet potato toast.
Why am I stressing?
Welcome to Live Well with Tia. And the purpose of this channel is to inspire, motivate and coach you into a healthier lifestyle. So I asked you guys last week, give me some recommendations of some recipes that I can make. And a lot of questions that I got was, I need some quick and simple snacks. So that's what I'm going to show you today. Sweet potato toast. That's right. Toast made out of sweet potato. It really is that simple. There's two ways of making this toast today and I'm going to show you both. The first one is to literally slice the sweet potato up, put it on a baking tray and pop it into the oven, which I've already done. So you can see, just come a little bit closer, I'm just going to show you. Okay, so as you can see, I have literally sliced the sweet potato in nice thin slices and I've just popped it into the oven on a baking tray for about 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to show you in a second how to prepare your sweet potato for this. I've literally just sprinkled it with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper, and that is it. So I'm going to show you now how to prepare the sweet potato and another way to cook it. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly pop my hair up so it's not all in the food, and all we're going to do is slice the ends of either side of the sweet potato, like so. Nobody wants those bits, and I tend to get rid of the end bits, so I'm just going to slice the end bit off. There we go. Okay, so I don't really like to use those bits, so we're not going to. Now, how thick? It's kind of up to you, but the thinner, the more crispier. I'm going to make these, because these ones are going to go in the toaster, so I'm going to make these slightly thicker, just so they don't crisp that much. See, not as thin as the ones I popped into the oven, because these are now going to go into the toaster. So I'm just going to pop them in. Okay, I'm going to put the temperature up on these till about 6. And we're just going to leave them in there until they are done. See you in a second. Okay guys, so this is it. Pretty simple. These are the oven baked ones and these are the ones that I popped into the toaster. I did push it down twice, so you know it pops up. I put it down twice just to get it, making sure it was cooked thoroughly all the way through. So I'm just going to show you how I would top them and how I eat them, just to give you some examples. But like I said, these are just suggestions. You don't have to actually do it this way. So I'm going to put some hummus on there. And this is the chili and red pepper one. I'm just going to put that on like as if I'd put butter on toast. And no, I would not use this much butter on my toast. But you know what I mean. Okay, so that's that one. And I am going to top this with some radishes, with a couple of peppers in between. Yeah, I think I might keep that one nice and simple. Maybe a tomato. So that's that one. Then I'm gonna top this one with some vegan cream cheese. Again, spread it on like you would butter. This is my favourite brand, BioLife. I always use this one. Okay, so this one I'm going to top a little bit differently. I'm going to put some lettuce on here, like that, with some cucumbers, like that. Perfect. So I'm going to make this a nice green one
and top it with some spring onions. Voila. The other one I'm going to use some plain hummus on this one, just to give you some variety. Now you can sprinkle this with nuts as well, whatever you might want to top it with. Perfect. So I'm going to put some peppers on here, just a couple, like so. Let's put some tomatoes. I love these little ones. Okay, and then I might also put a cucumber on there, and the same as the last one, just top it with some spring onions. So there's just 3 examples. Now I'm gonna move on to these ones. Little kick. There we go. So guys, that is it. How simple, quick and easy snacks that yourself and your kids can do at home.
Okay, so the request was quick, easy, gluten-free, dairy-free, and here you go. It doesn't get any quicker than this. Literally, if you're going to oven bake it, yes, it will take about 10 to 15 minutes depending on the thickness of your slice, but if you're going to put them in the toaster, literally 5 minutes. And the toppings I've given you, like I said, they're just optional. You can top them with, if you want to be a bit naughty, a little bit of chocolate spread, dairy-free of course, peanut butter, again if you don't have allergies, nuts, seeds, hummus, cheese, whatever you want to put on there, you can. Another recommendation is you can turn them into like mini pizzas, so top them with a little bit of tomato paste, put some cheese on top, top them a little bit and pop them in the oven. That's another yummy way to eat them. But I've done it like this because I'm going to eat them as soon as this video is over, so I'm doing it my way. And other than that, guys, that is it. Please keep sending in your recommendations. I do have a list that I'm going to be working through, so thank you so much. So keep a lookout because there's plenty more to come. And I'm going to be doing a little bit of naughty treats in between, so stay tuned. So for now, make sure that you like, share and subscribe, and hopefully see you back soon. But until we see each other next, stay safe, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Why am I stressing? I better count my blessings. Life could be more threatening, but it ain't we good. I'm on flexing.